3, 2, 1.
If you hold the compass sideways while at the South Pole, where do the needles point? The answer is D, up and down. What would you call a baby wombat? The answer is B, a joey. What is used for scoring in tennis? The answer is A, scoreboard. Where in New Jersey is Tony's mansion according to the TV series The Sopranos? The answer is B, North Caldwell. Which leafy green is known as spinach beet? The answer is C, Swiss chard. The double bass is a member of which orchestra family? The answer is D, strings. 6 puppies were born at the same time. After 6 months, one of the puppies was much heavier than the others. Which of the following is the most likely explanation for difference in size of that puppy? The answer is A, it ate more food. What actor played Alex Handress on the TV series One Day at a Time? The answer is D, Glenn Scarpelli. What is the popular game among us categorized as? The answer is C, party game. What is the term for animals that cannot raise their body temperature on their own? The answer is A, ectothermic. Miranda learned how the human body carries out life functions. Which is the most basic level of organization in the human body? The answer is D, a cell. Who is the first Italian-American woman to be canonized as a saint of the Catholic Church? The answer is C, Frances Cabrini. Which planet has been demoted from its planet status by scientists like Neil Tyson, director of the Hayden Planetarium? The answer is A, Pluto. In Santa Claus is Coming to Town, what type of magical object did the Winter Warlock give to Chris as a token of friendship? The answer is B, a magical snowball. In which state of matter do particles take the shape of their container, but cannot expand to fill it? The answer is C, liquid. What two Friends characters were high school friends? The answer is A, Monica and Rachel. Which language was the first to have a dictionary? The answer is D, Sanskrit. What does the mariner from the rhyme of the Ancient Mariners see on the horizon that gives the crew a fleeting sense of hope? The answer is D, another ship. In what area of the body are sutural bones found? The answer is C, skull. Both energy and heat can be expressed in units of what? The answer is A, joules. Which planet is closest to the Sun? The answer is C, Mercury. Which desert is the largest in the world? The answer is A, Sahara. Who painted the famous Sistine Chapel ceiling?
The answer is A, Michelangelo.
A student is investigating a light bulb that saves energy and can last up to 10 times longer than other bulbs, other than saving energy, which is another benefit of using these light bulbs. The answer is B, less trash is put in landfills. What is the study of the nature of existence and reality called? The answer is D, metaphysics. Here is the refrain of the state song of Florida, the Swanee River. However, its lines are jumbled. Can you put them in the right order? The answer is B, 3, 2, 4, 1. What is a group of 8 wooden pipes played by blowing across their tops called? The answer is A, xylophone. What is a device used for measuring distances? The answer is A, ruler. What famous rapper appeared in the movie 8 Mile as male lunch truck rapper? The answer is A, exhibit. What important function do bees perform on garden plants and many commercial fruit trees? The answer is C, pollination. In which category did Krishna Banji win an Academy Award in 1982? The answer is D, Best Actor. Which fashion designer was known for the boho chic style? The answer is B, Karl Lagerfeld B. Through what do moving particles transfer thermal energy? The answer is B, fluid. Which sport uses a quoit as equipment? The answer is B, horseshoe toss. Where was the local shooting done for the movie Jaws? The answer is A, Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts. What kind of changes in an environment will cause a plant to adapt to survive? The answer is B, lack of light. In Brave New World, what is the population control method? The answer is A, pills. What branch of science is the study of the universe, not of cosmetics? The answer is A, cosmology. What was the first state to ratify the U.S. Constitution and therefore the first state of the United States of America? The answer is B, Delaware. Which is the capital of Norway? The answer is B, Stockholm. What show featured Dennis Weaver riding his horse through downtown Manhattan? The answer is D, McCloud. The world's most expensive car ever sold is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Which car brand does it belong to? The answer is D, Bugatti. Edgar Cayce, who was believed to be psychic, suggested that the Bermuda Triangle is the location of which of the following? The answer is C, Atlantis. The debut of Beavis and Butthead on TV was in 1993. When was the show cancelled? The answer is A, 1997. What family member does the Spanish noun abuela denote? The answer is D, grandmother. In Greek mythology, who was the son of Peleus and Thetis? The answer is C, Achilles. What is the programming language with which Bitcoin was written? The answer is C, C++. The vertebrate endoskeleton can also be called what? The answer is B, internal skeleton. In Egyptian mythology, who is Horus' mother? The answer is B, Isis. Which operating system was released in 1985 by IBM for the PC/AT?